The cleaning should be done daily, ideally after bowel voiding, using the hand from front to back. Prefer a gentle, soap-free cleanser able to protect selectively the intimate vulvar flora and protect indirectly the vaginal microbiota and microbiome. In couples who are loyal to each other, with appropriate personal hygiene, washing the genitals after sex is not recommended. It is recommended when the couple likes anal intercourse, that should always be done with condom, for two main reasons: to protect the spreading of the colonic bacteria into the perineal area and spreading then to the vulva, aggressing the vulvar microbiome, and also to prevent sexual transmitted infection. If you change partner often, please use condom consistently from the beginning of the intercourse and in every type of intercourse, because this is the safest defense, the defense line, that keeping your secret gantlet clean and happy, that is, to protect your vulvar and vaginal microbiota at your best. In short, what I say is that to prevent the invasion from pathogen germs is the first logical act of self-protection because you value. Opposite to that, and beware to this point, washing the genitals, the vulva, the vaginal, doing the vaginal douching after the intercourse, beware. After the unprotected sex, it is a dangerous illusion of self-protection. Why that? In too many cases, the damage is secretly done, particularly if your patient is a healthy carrier. What does this mean? It has no symptoms nor signs of infection, and yet it has, for example, the papillomavirus inside the sperm, and this will be transmitted to you. Washing means nothing. So the first line to protect yourself consistently is to use condom in every intercourse with every partner and in every type of intercourse. This will promote and protect yourself, your whole health, and the vulva and vagina microbiome effectively and consistently. You value. Do it.